Hi everybody! So right now guys is gawa tayo ng salad. So this salad is different version instead of rice. So maganda tong um exchange para sa rice. So we have here a cucumber and yan gagawin natin, cut natin into small size or yung manipis lang na size ng pagka-cut. And then, after that, we have a carrot. Yung carrot naman, same lang din. So, whatever cuts or whatever yung size na gusto nyo for your carrots, as long as, mas okay kasi sa akin yung medyo manipis and then long, little bit longer. Pero, mas okay din siya kung what do you call that? Yung nyo siya, kakaskasin. Like, a mince or something like that ba? Basta ganun siya. So, whatever you like it, guys, so you can do it. It's very healthy also because we have a lot of vegetables na pwede natin ilagay. So, we have here some apple also. You can put some apple. So, meron tayong apple dito. So, maiba naman. So, that apple is a bomb. Sobrang tamis niya, guys. So, I don't know kung nakalimutan kong tingnan kung anong brand ng apple yan. Yeah. So yan, cut lang din siya into dice or whatever nyo gusto. And then we have an onion. So sa onion naman guys, it's up to you kung white onion or red onion. So sa amin, mas access ko dito yung white onion. So, yan. Cut lang din natin yan siya. And I forgot about, lettuce din pala. So, we have here lettuce, cottage cheese, and we have a Greek yogurt, yung plain lang. So, here, nagkuha lang ako ng, I think, mga 4 or 5, yeah, 4 lettuce. So, yung lettuce na yun, guys, is napaka-crunchy niya. So, cut lang din natin whatever size you like. So, yan. And then, linis-linis muna tayo for a while before starting our mixture. So, meron tayong dyang cottage cheese. So, naglagay ako dyan ng 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. And then, we have Greek yogurt din too. Naglagay din ako ng 2 tablespoons. And, meron tayong kepa mayo. So, naglagay ako ng kepa mayo dyan. Instead of regular mayonnaise, meron din tayong honey na yung original honey. So, nag-add ako ng another kepa mayo in there because the other, yung lagayan niya is no more na the other one pala. So, yan. Meron tayong real lemon dyan. Yung already juice na. Cause, natatamad akong mag-squeeze ng na another one. But, meron tayong, talaga, lemon. So, that's it. This is the final, na guys. Yan. So, yan na. Yung kinalabasan. And I mix everything. And it's really yummy talaga, guys. So, try nyo na, guys, yung salad na yan. It's really a bomb. Hindi kayo magsisisi with regards sa ganyan sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos and unhealthy thing. So, I hope you guys keep on watching all my healthy tips. Well, we're still struggling to do our weight loss journey, but yeah. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung partner ng aking salad. So, that is baked chicken breast.